Hello bikers! Today I just received my order from the online shop. It is Polygon Xtrada 6 and today we want to do the unboxing and show you how to assemble part by part of the bike to be a complete set of the bike. As you can see here, it is sent from Indah Logistic from Tokopedia. So let us check what is inside the box. Okay, here is the bike. As usual, the bike is shipped in 80% of assembly, so we need to do the assembly with the rest of the unassembled part, such as the seat post, the stem bar, the front wheel, and the seat post or the saddle pack. Okay, first thing first that we need to prepare is the key, Allen key and spanner. So let's do the assembly of the bike. Now we have untied each single part. So before we do the assembly, it is better for us to check what is inside the box. Okay, this is all the document of the part, the manual book, pedal, lamp, okay. You can learn here how to assembly part by part. First part that we want to assemble is the stem or handlebar. You take out this holder, take out all the screws, and then you put the handlebar here. This one have the indicator. This cross means the center of the handlebar. Then you put this one. You tighten all the bolts evenly, one by one. Do not tighten it because we want to assemble or adjust the handlebar positions according to this indicator. Okay, you can see here there's an indicator of the center of the handlebar positions. Then you tighten it evenly, one by one. Just hand tight, because after you assemble this one you need to adjust it again. When all the part is assembled, you need to check whether this handlebar is convenient or not for you. Then you can also adjust this one, adjust this spacer. You can put this handlebar down, then you move the spacer up to here, or you can move this one in the lowest positions of the handlebar, so you can take out this spacer on the top of the handlebar. Okay, now we tighten it evenly one by one. Do not too tight because you will crack the handlebar. Okay, like this. Then we assemble the wheel set. First thing first, we need to assemble this brake. Do not tighten first because we want to insert the wheel, and after we assemble the wheel, then we will adjust this part to be on the center of the disc brake. Now it's time for us to assemble the wheel set. We need to remove this protective plastic, then we insert the wheel carefully. Until the fork is inserted to the shaft. Okay, now after the fork is held properly to the shaft, we insert here the quick release part. We open it. Insert it, don't forget for the spring. So tighten it. You can lock. If it is too tight, you can loosen a bit until it's properly lock the wheel set. Okay, after that we can adjust this to the center of this brake. After centering we get, then just tighten this one. Okay, that's all for the wheel set. Now you can put your brake wire into here to make it more tidy and for the safety purposes also. We install the pedal. We have two pedals here, R and L. R stands for right, L stands for left. So for the right positions, we assemble the pedal here with the spanner 15. For the right pedal, we can install it by turning it into clockwise positions, but for the left side, we install it with the thread here anti-clockwise positions. So with L indicator, we assemble it by turning this one in the anti-clockwise. Then tighten this one with the spanner 15. The saddle, so we just put the saddle into seat tube here, then we lock. That's all. But if you want to adjust the height positions of the saddles, we can recommend you two methods. First is to measure your inseam. Then after you get your inseam, you times your inseam number into your inseam times 0.883. So we can measure into the middle of the pedal. From the middle of the pedal, you can take the measurement on the tube of the saddle you have. So if you have inseam measurement, then you times it into your inseam times 0.883, or you can also get your inseam number minus 10 centimeter. If you have 81 inseam, then you need to measure your seat post into from the center of the pedal to the top positions of the pedal. Your inseam minus 10. Okay, then I propose you another method. Just sit onto your saddle, then you can put your here. First of all, you need to make the pedal the straight one. Then you put your here, your heel here. Then it should be on the straight position of your leg. You can see here. It means that you get the convenient position of your seat post positions. Okay. Now, after you set your height position of the seat post, you can also adjust your saddle. Can be moved forward or backward. You can lose this bolt, these two bolts, then you can move your saddle forward or backward until you feel convenience when you ride your bike and your hands grip your handlebar properly. Forget to tighten this to confirm that your saddle post will not be drop down, but not too tight, because you can feel by lock or unlock this QR. Okay, now you have your full sets of Polygon Xtrada 6. You can write it properly or conveniently, but after this assembly you need to do the trial. Then you can find what you should need to adjust a little bit to make it your best convenience of writing the Xtrada 6 from Polygon. Okay, thanks for your kind attentions. That's all from me. See you on my next videos. You can like, comment, or subscribe below here. Thank you very much. Bye bye.